How's it going, guys? Jimmy here from Detail King, and today we're going to be talking about how to keep the paint on your off-road vehicle protected from the elements when you're driving off-road. So there's several different ways you can keep your paint on your off-road vehicle protected. Just like any other vehicle, it's important to keep your paint protected from the elements in general, but it's especially crucial for off-road vehicles like this 2000 Jeep Grand Cherokee behind me here that frequently goes off-road. The first way we can do this is by simply using a wax. Here we have our Cherry Wet Wax, which is a carnauba-based wax. This wax is designed to give your car 3 to 6 months of protection. It leaves the surface extremely hydrophobic and does offer protection from the elements. However, it's definitely not going to be as good of protection as either of these two options sitting right here, especially in the case of an off-road vehicle. Which brings us next up to our STS 3000 paint sealant. Now, this paint sealant is a synthetic paint sealant, which means it's not natural. It's actually it's man-made, and it's designed to last 9 to 12 months on your vehicle. It also leaves the surface extremely hydrophobic, but it's made of a much harder compound than the wax is. Therefore, it's going to be much better designed and geared towards off-road vehicles like this Jeep, because it's going to offer a little bit more protection against things that might be slung up against it, like mud, dirt, and grime as you're driving down the road off-road. And then lastly, we're going to bring us to our strongest category of paint protection, which is ceramic coating. Now, here with me I have our Jade A70 ceramic coating spray. This differs from a traditional ceramic coating in the sense that it's a spray-on ceramic coating as opposed to a traditional ceramic coating that's applied by hand with either a wipe or an applicator pad. However, this is still a ceramic coating in the sense that it is made of silica particulates, and it does contain a 7H hardness spectrum, and as a result, it's going to give your paint the best protection it can have off-road as you're driving down the road, because it's going to leave the surface more hydrophobic than either of these two, and it's also going to have more scratch resistant from things that might be slung up against the paint from you driving off-road. Alright guys, that'll about wrap it up for this one. Be sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notification icon so you know whenever we're posting new content. Be sure to throw a like on this video, and down in the comments leave a suggestion on what you might like to see in the next video. Also, be sure to head on over to our Facebook page and give us a like, and follow us on Instagram so you can keep up to date with all the content we're posting. And as always, feel free to head on over to detailking.com, where we have everything you need to keep your car clean like a Detail King. We'll see you in the next one.